SUPERSHINE Robot, one of the top and leading grass cutter remote control manufacturers in China, focuses on the research and development of remote control and autopilot intelligent machinery. They are widely used in orchard, steep incline, front yard, garden, wasteland, ditch bank, and so on. The wireless radio control robot lawnmower adopts CE and EPA-approved gasoline engine, adjustable blade height by remote control, 200 meters long distance remote control, travel speed 0.6 kilometers per hour. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world. You are always welcome to contact us with any questions. Thanks for watching.